Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the essentials. Open the Journal app and sign in so entries sync across devices. Once signed in, tap the plus icon to create a new journal, name it clearly, choose a template or start blank. Next, configure writing defaults like font size, line spacing, and backup frequency. This saves time later. Make sure iCloud or the app's cloud sync is enabled now so nothing is lost. This initial setup gets you writing immediately, with reliable backups in place. Now you'll create and structure entries. Tap New to start an entry, add a title and apply tags or mood icons for fast retrieval later. You can combine text with photos, audio recordings, checklists, or Apple Pencil handwriting. Use rich text to emphasize key points. Once done, move the entry into folders or assign multiple tags to cross-reference themes. Make sure to use templates for recurring formats. Templates speed up consistent journaling and keep your archive searchable by date, tag, or folder. Finish by reviewing and exporting your work. Use search, timeline view, and tag filters to scan months of notes quickly. When ready, export single entries or entire journals as PDF or text. You can set up auto-export or run a manual backup to iCloud, Dropbox, or local files. If syncing or export fails, check Wi-Fi and the cloud account, log out and back in, force close the app, then reopen. If needed, restore from the most recent backup. That troubleshooting sequence resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.